Over 50 years of experience and a wide range of finishes available, Michael Products and Wood builds custom cabinetry to the highest quality level. The business is develop, build, design, and install custom furniture, fulfill everyone's desire and dreams of what they're looking for their homes. We will do everything from a kitchen to a vanities to wall units, offices, bars, anything desired by the customer. We use actually real plywood made in the USA. We deal with all sorts of different finishes, from the acrylics to basic laminates to veneers, stains, painting, anything that you want. If you call us up 5-8 years from now and need some adjustments, we'll be there at no charge for you. We've been around for well over 50 years. We believe in high quality. We stand by our work. We'll come to your house. We'll look over everything in your house and make sure you get exactly what you want, what you desire. We're Michael Products and Wood, developing cabinetry at the highest standards. Please schedule an appointment with one of my experienced designers to come out and help you select your dream furniture.